Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about sore throat remedies. A sore throat is an inflammation at the back of the throat and surrounding area, known as the pharynx. That inflammation leads to common sore throat symptoms like scratchiness, pain, swelling, and discomfort. Acting fast when you notice that first telltale tingle or twinge of pain might help keep your sore throat symptoms to a minimum. If your sore throat has quickly taken on a life of its own, don't worry. There are plenty of over-the-counter medicines for sore throat, some of them already in your kitchen cupboard ready to help ease the pain and scratchiness. Honey, from its warm amber color to its thick, syrupy consistency and mild, sweet taste, honey is nature's sore throat remedy. Honey boasts a range of anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. As a precaution, children under 1 year of age should not consume honey due to susceptibility to a toxin it may contain. Saltwater gargle. Most of us grew up with it, and it might be the first thing you think of when a sore throat catches hold. Gargling with warm salt water reduces inflammation, promotes healing, and inhibits the growth of bacteria in the mouth. Salt water also helps thin mucus and is one of the best home remedies for cough and sore throat. Gargle twice a day for sore throat relief. Baking soda gargle. Baking soda has an alkaline effect that neutralizes acids in the mouth. It can help ward off infection, protect against inflammation, and lubricate the mouth and throat. Humidifier. Breathing dry air can feel like sandpaper on a raw, painful, sore throat. A room humidifier moisturizes your nose and throat, making it much more comfortable to breathe. Add a few drops of essential oil for a throat-soothing aromatherapy session. Run the humidifier at night while you sleep to keep the room moisturized while your body rests and works to heal itself. Chamomile tea. Naturally soothing chamomile tea has long been used for medicinal purposes, including treating a sore throat. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and astringent properties. According to a 2023 review of Research Trusted Source, chamomile powder may help relieve inflammation in the eyes, nose, and throat. Drinking chamomile tea may offer the same benefit. It may also stimulate the immune system to help your body treat the infection that caused your sore throat. Rest. Resting up may be just what you need. If you feel a sore throat coming on, try to take it easy and ensure you're getting enough sleep. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC trusted source notes that sleep loss can increase your risk of developing an infection. Severe sleep loss, even for one night, can also increase inflammatory proteins called cytokines. It may also be a good idea to rest your voice as well. Actions such as talking loudly, singing, or shouting may further irritate your already tender throat. And there you have it, a collection of natural remedies to help ease the discomfort of a sore throat. Remember to try these remedies at the first sign of a sore throat, and don't hesitate to seek medical advice if needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.